Think about it. Why does school start with a bell? Why do you sit in rows? Why are you grouped by age like products on an assembly line? If you feel like a gear in a machine that is wearing you down, it's because you are using a 19th century system on your 21st century brain. Today, I am sharing the truth about why school feels like a job. It was literally designed to be. 200 years ago, a kingdom called Prussia lost a huge war. The king realized he didn't need geniuses or free thinkers. He needed soldiers who would follow orders without question and citizens who would work without complaints. So they created the Prussian Model of schooling. This was the first time in history that children were forced by law to go to school. But the goal was not learning, it was compliance. They wanted you to smart enough to do your job, but not smart enough to question why you are doing it. Fast towards the 1900s, the Industrial Revolution is booming. Men like Rockefeller needed millions of workers to sit at assembly line for 10 hours a day. They looked at the Prussian model and saw it was the perfect training camp for factories. The bells, they were not for your schedule. They trained you to respond to factory whistles. The rows, they made it easier for a manager to supervise you. The subjects, they divide knowledge into small, disconnected parts, just like an assembly line, so you would not see the bigger picture. They even said it loud. The General Education Board, funded by Rockefeller, once said, "We shall not try to make these people or any of their children into philosophers or men of learning or science. We have to follow a very simple program." Here is the problem. The factories are closed. We live in the age of internet, creativity, and the flow state. But the system has not changed. It still tries to turn you into 1920s factory worker. If you are struggling, remember, you are not a bad student. You are just a person trying to learn in a factory built for 1800s.